Today, I am reviewing the AeroGarden Bounty Basic Indoor Hydroponic Garden. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are exploring a product that promises to bring a vibrant, flourishing patch of nature right onto your kitchen countertop, no matter what the weather is like outside. We are doing a deep dive into the AeroGarden Bounty Basic Indoor Hydroponic Garden. Now, if you love the idea of cooking with fresh, aromatic herbs, or plucking homegrown cherry tomatoes for your salads, but you lack outdoor yard space, live in an apartment, or simply suffer from a complete lack of a green thumb, this machine is designed for you. The Bounty Basic completely removes the dirt, the mess, the pests, and the stressful guesswork from gardening, replacing it with a sleek, automated system that makes growing plants practically foolproof. Let's look at the physical setup and design updates first. This updated model comes in a gorgeous, modern matte black finish that looks incredibly sharp in any kitchen or living room. AeroGarden redesigned this unit with a much larger water bowl and a re-engineered grow deck. The larger bowl capacity is a massive quality of life improvement because it means the reservoir holds more water at once, letting you go significantly longer between fill-ups, even when your plants reach full maturity and start drinking heavily. The optimized grow deck layout gives your plants more physical breathing room to branch out naturally, and it even features built-in slots to accommodate an optional trellis system, which is absolutely essential if you plan on growing taller, climbing varieties like peppers or tomatoes. Speaking of capacity, the Bounty Basic allows you to grow up to 9 different herbs, vegetables, or flower varieties all at the exact same time. The system works using pre-seeded, soil-free pods. You just drop the pods into the grow deck, add water to the reservoir along with a few capfuls of the included liquid plant food, and you are ready to go. Because it's a hydroponic system, the plant roots grow directly into a highly oxygenated water bath infused with nutrients. This direct access to food and water allows your plants to grow up to 5 times faster than they ever would in traditional outdoor soil. Within just 3 to 5 days, you'll see your first sprouts, and by week 3 or 4, you will be actively harvesting fresh greens. Hovering over your plants is the heart of the system, a powerful 30-watt full-spectrum LED grow light panel. This light system delivers the exact wavelengths of red, blue, and white light that plants require for optimal photosynthesis. It tricks your plants into thinking they are basking in the perfect summer sun 16 hours a day. The light hood is fully adjustable and can be raised up to 24 inches in height. This 24-inch clearance is a massive upgrade over smaller countertop gardens, giving you the vertical space needed to let your basil, dill, or dwarf tomato plants reach their full mature height without burning their upper leaves against the LEDs. The entire experience is managed by an incredibly smart, high-resolution digital control panel located at the base of the machine. This screen acts as your garden's vital statistics dashboard. It counts the number of days your garden has been alive, tracks your settings, and features automated timers that turn the heavy-duty grow lights on and off at the exact right times every day. It also completely removes the mental load of plant maintenance by flashing clear, intuitive visual reminders the exact moment your garden runs low on water or needs another dose of liquid nutrients. You never have to guess or remember a schedule. The machine simply tells you what it needs. But what happens if you want to go out of town for the weekend or take a 2-week vacation? AeroGarden has built in a brilliant vacation mode feature. When you activate vacation mode via the control panel, the machine automatically alters the lighting schedule, dropping it down to about 8 hours of light per day. This effectively slows down the plant's metabolism and dramatically reduces their water consumption, keeping your garden healthy, hydrated, and thriving while you are away, without requiring a house sitter to look after them. Ultimately, the AeroGarden Bounty Basic is a phenomenal investment for anyone looking to elevate their culinary game or enjoy the mental health benefits of indoor gardening. It successfully balances a massive 9-pod capacity and a tall 24-inch growing height with an accessible, user-friendly control system. It makes fresh, pesticide-free produce available all year round, completely independent of the seasons. It is reliable, exceptionally clean, beautifully designed, and earns a highly enthusiastic 5 out of 5 stars.